Waduh, ada koran apa nih? Exito Academico gratis. Wah, gratis itu artinya ya gratis. Ayo kita lihat nih koran apa sih di pinggir jalan. Sepertinya bukan bahasa Inggris tapi bahasa Spanish nih ya. Dan ada orang-orang yang baru lulus dari SMA. Waduh, lulus dari SMA langsung ngapain? Cari karir, of course. Nah, lulus kalau misalnya cari karir itu mungkin ada banyak ya dari pemirsa yang ingin menjadi seorang ibu atau bapak guru. Aha, well guess what? It's your lucky day. Karena kita akan kenalan dengan seorang ibu guru SD yang sangat inovatif. Siapakah dia? Ayo kita langsung aja kenalan dengan Allison D.
True.
Ini adalah Allison Diaz, seorang pendidik idealis. Ia mengajar satu planet ini karena di sekolahnya di California High School, mereka tidak hanya belajar tentang sadar lingkungan, tetapi benar-benar menjalankannya.
We even have our own fresh vegetables on campus. And they're good.
And welcome to the Environmental Charter High School.
Allison adalah direktur eksekutif dan bagian kreatif di sekolah yang berbasis lingkungan
We
hidup
get
ini.
kids to care about issues that are larger than themselves, care about their community, and then they go out and make changes in their community to make it a better place.
Sekolah ini memiliki dua misi. Yang pertama adalah mengajar kesadaran terhadap lingkungan hidup. Yang kedua, mengajar cara menangani tantangan-tantangan yang rumit, misalnya cara membangun karir.
So I wanted to create a different kind of school. And it's kind of like Dr. Seuss's Hooray for Different Do for Day. It doesn't matter what you teach the kids, as long as you teach them how to think.
It's not just about sitting in a classroom and taking notes and copying from a chalkboard, but it's about getting kids to creatively think and problem solve and then do something about a problem.
Now that you've heard about the problem, you can be a part of the solution.
Sekolah ini berdiri tahun 2011. Dulunya ini adalah sekolah dasar biasa. Tetapi Allison mengajak masyarakat untuk merenovasi gedung sekolah dan mengubah pola pikir tentang pendidikan.
So a charter school is a public school. We just receive a license from the state saying, hey, you can run a public school. And so we opened up a business and they gave us the license and we invited students to apply and they did. And now we have very long wait lists for students.
Seluruhnya ada 560 murid dan semuanya dipilih secara acak. Pendidikan lingkungan hidup dimulai dari hari pertama dengan diskusi mengenai sampah.
We're either recycling it, composting it, so putting it back into the earth, or if it does go to a landfill, they need to know that it goes to the landfill.
Tidak semua murid bercita-cita ingin menjadi pakar lingkungan hidup, tapi yang jelas semua mata pelajaran itu penting dimanapun kita belajar dan apapun karir yang kita pilih.
It gives them a reason to learn about, why do I need English? Well, I need English because I need to support or advocate a particular position in order to improve my environment.
Murid-murid di Environmental Charter High School diberi tugas untuk aktif di masyarakat dan meningkatkan kesadaran terhadap lingkungan hidup.
Why do we need all of that packaging?
Karena lingkungan hidup adalah subjek yang baru, maka cara pengajarannya pun baru.
In the early years when I didn't know what a day could be like, it was like riding a river and you didn't know where the current would take you or what white water you would hit. And now it's kind of predictable and so it's kind of easier and less stressful.
Do you guys know what I do?
Make us feel like we're a family.
I make you feel like you're...
I went to law school to fight for people's rights, to learn how to fight for people's rights. Through a series of events that happened, I decided I wanted to open up a school, and now I get to help kids fight for their rights, fight for the right to a better education, fight for the rights in their communities so that their communities become better places for them to live.
We see solving the environmental,
economic, and educational problems of the world
as the moonshot for our generation.
It's almost like counterculture, a little bit of counterculture. Tell your parents not to use that plastic bottle.
Read my parents, my mini manifesto.
It's my mini manifesto.
You get to tell your parents to do something that, that's also good for the environment, then they start listening to you, and wow, now you have your parents listening to you.
Keinginan Allison tidak berhenti di situ. Ia ingin bisa menerima lebih banyak murid, membangun lebih banyak kebun, dan mencari cara-cara baru untuk memberi pelajaran tentang lingkungan.
We're going to be raising chickens in order so that when they poop, they help fertilize our gardens.
It's not a typical 9-to-5 job, but if you love your job, no job is a typical 9-to-5 job. I think everybody wants to make an impact on the world. And I think this is the way that I can make my impact. I can create a better place for kids to learn.
Nah, Nah, di pinggir jalan ini banyak sekali nih koran-koran yang memberikan berbagai macam informasi yang lengkap untuk meniti karir di kota ini. Waduh, kalau misalnya karir ingin menjadi ibu guru seperti Allison tadi dan mungkin ingin make a difference ya di komunitas kalian, lah kalau misalnya di sini tinggal ambil salah satu koran ini dan cari pekerjaan yang lokal. Oke, pemirsa jangan kemana-mana setelah pesan-pesan yang berikut ini karena seperti yang saya janjikan ada nih produser asal Indonesia yang datang ke Amerika. So don't go anywhere, only on VOA Career Day.